Hi folks, I wrote a piece early today on my Patreon page about the importance of tonal contrasts. I remember a while back looking at some paintings, and from a distance they were almost like photographs, but when you got up close you could see all the brush strokes, and they didn't look anything like what anyone could do with practice really. And I couldn't understand why they looked so good from a distance, but when you was up real close they just looked like everyday paintings. And then it struck me what they'd done was got the tones absolutely spot on. It's something I obviously always gave consideration to when I was doing my paintings, but then I think in the last few months I've really tried to focus on the tones a lot more, to the extent what I do is when I think I'm there or thereabouts finished with the painting, I'll go and stand as far away as I can, and then look at the paint from a distance, or take a photograph and look at it as a thumbnail. Basically you want to see it small, and what you're looking for is for the main elements, the main shapes in your paintings to really pop out, really pop at you. And then what I do, if I'm not happy, I started using a 1/4 inch flat brush, and what I do, I mix sometimes like a bit of light red or ultramarine, just like a general dark mix, and I'll use that as like my dark, sort of real dark, deepish shadowy colour. And I'll look at it, I'll almost hold it at arm's length, and I'll just dab, 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 just reload, just quick dab, 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 just focusing entirely on getting the darks in. Do a few, go and stand away again, go and stand at the back of the room, have another look, and just keep adjusting as necessary, darkening areas here and there until you're satisfied with it. If you start doing that at the end of each painting, you'll really will notice the difference. It's all about getting the dark, almost black, down to almost white, or white I suppose in sort of like most circumstances, and then getting all the variations in between. There's many different tones, from, if you imagine, like 0, 1 to 10 black, and then you're trying to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on all the way through. I know a lot of people advise doing tonal sketches beforehand. I suppose it must help. It's something I've never personally not done. I tend to sort of focus on the end. I suppose I do it the wrong way around really.